Here's how to get pro-grade results from DAP water-based 2-in-1 orange peel wall and ceiling spray texture. First, repair any damage to the wall. Then prep your work area with the proper tools for your project and cover all surrounding areas. To prevent clogging, shake the can upside down vigorously for 1 minute after hearing the marble moving freely. Be sure to shake frequently between sprays. Unlock the safety tab by bending it backwards. Do not tear the tab off. Adjust and twist the nozzle to the desired texture size and correct spray angle. Before spraying on any surface, dispense a quick burst on scrap material to activate and practice. Note the high-pressure flow and spray 12 to 18 inches from the surface to ensure a wide, even pattern. Spraying too close to the surface can result in poor texture definition. For seamless repairs, feather the texture into the surrounding repair area by spraying short, intermittent bursts with a circular sweeping motion. Allow at least 15 minutes of dry time before painting. No priming is required. When finished, place the nozzle upright. Turn the can upside down and spray to clear the nozzle. Clean any buildup on the nozzle. Relock the safety tab and store upright at room temperature for future use.